Hey, welcome back to the shop. This is Jason. Today we have a special guest. We have my friend Ray here with the Sun Country Model T Club. And today we're going to be putting a exhaust cutout on your what engine?
1914 Model T Speedster.
1914 Model T Speedster with what motor do we have here?
It's a Model T engine and transmission,
Okay.
and they're all in one unit. Three pedals to operate it. The right pedal is the brake, center pedal is reverse, and the left pedal is clutch.
It's like driving an airplane in that cockpit.
And far right one is the gas pedal. It was removed from the column, put down there so I could shift the woofer. The clutch is halfway down is neutral, all the way down is low, and all the way out is high gear.
What's your top speed on this guy?
And it so far is 70.
70. And you can see your light flashing before your eyes?
Not quite, but you start to.
What else can you tell us about it?
Well, the box is a little unusual. It's replicated after the stamp-on toolboxes that they used back then.
Okay.
And when I got it, it was mostly just the frame and the wheels and the working lights.
And we're still running candles in the front here?
That's halogen lights, but I've converted them over to electric.
It looks like we have LEDs, right?
Yes.
That is quite the upgrade.
I tend to drive at night.
As we would like to, right?
Yeah.
What do you say? We get in the shop and we get that exhaust cutout put in there?
Okay.
All right. You know, sometimes you get so excited to start a project that you forget filming is part of that project. This was one of those times. Ray and I got the Model T in the shop and we were off and moving. By the time we had it up in the air, it wasn't much longer that we had already cut off about an 18-inch section of the exhaust where we were planning to install the cutout, and we were trying to figure out how to get it fit in there. So in order to cut out as little of the exhaust as possible, what we wound up doing was we pulled the floorboard out, which gave us access to the backside of the collector, the manifold. I'm not really sure what to call these on Model T. It's a little bit different looking than modern cars. But we disconnected it up at the manifold connection, and that gave us just enough working room that we cut out as little exhaust as possible. The exhaust cutout itself is a 2-inch stainless steel unit, and he had 1 3/4-inch exhaust in the car. So what we wound up doing was we used 1 7/8-inch reducers in between there so that we had a fairly tight fit, enough that it was a very easy gap to weld up. We welded it into place and we were off and running. We were ready to test fire this bad boy. And boy, was it awesome to hear. Take a look at this. That's with the exhaust closed and open. Model T open header. You like it? Yeah. The wiring is going to come at a later date. This kit comes with a 12-volt cigarette lighter accessory adapter that plugs in, made it really easy to test, and a remote control so that Ray can open this bad boy up at any time With that giant muffler on there driving down the road, it's actually pretty quiet, other than the wind noise rushing through your hair. But this will make it a little bit more exciting. Not necessarily what you'd normally see on a Model T, but certainly a fun project, and I thank you, Ray, for coming by so that we could get this done. If you're interested in other projects like this, DIY, car projects, house projects, everything in between, that's what I do here on this channel. Take a look at one of these other videos. YouTube is going to pick something for you. If you liked this video here, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what your thoughts are down below, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a great one.